Your child comes to you for the third time today and asks,
Mama, do you love
You
me?
answered this morning, you answered after lunch, and now again at bedtime.
Do you love me?
You're thinking, why does my child keep asking this? So here's the truth. They are not being dramatic. They are checking if they are still safe. At this age, love feels unconditional to them because consequences are conditional. Think about it. They get praised when they share. Love feels present. They get scolded when they hit. Love feels absent. So, in their developing brain, the question, do you love me, is actually, am I still loved when I mess up? Will you leave me if I'm bad? Am I safe even when I make mistakes? The child asks,
Mama, do you love me?
how as a parent we give wrong responses. Of course I do. Why do you even ask again and again? Why are you even asking me? This feels dismissive, sir. To you, it is reassurance. You're giving assurance. To them, it sounds like, why are you bothering me? This is so obvious question that why even you are asking me? You don't feel seen. You feel silenced. So when the child asks,
Mama, do you love me?
the right response as a parent should be, stop whatever you are doing. Yes, stop. Immediately leave everything, whatever you're doing. Kneel down. Make that eye contact with your kid. And say, love you when you are happy. Love you when you are angry. I love you when you listen. I love you when you make mistakes. I love you when you are silly. I love you all the time. Nothing you can do to change that. And gentle touch, hands on shoulders or a hug. Do that. Do you know why? Because you are my child. That love doesn't go away ever. Notice what made that moment so powerful. You stopped. That showed they matters more than your task. That eye level. You entered their world. Third, touch. That gives physical safety. That implies emotional safety. Repetition. Love you when. Repetition builds the neural pathway. Love is constant. Love is unconditional. So if your child asks this multiple times a day, it's a signal. Ask yourself, have there been recent changes? Maybe new siblings, moving homes, starting a school, or something like that. Have I been distracted or stressed lately? Have I been saying I love you only when they are good? Action steps. For 1 week, say I love you at random moments. When they are playing quietly, when they are frustrated with puzzle, when they wake up grumpy, when they're just being disciplined. Flood them with evidences that love isn't earned. It is. Say love you loud aloud. Repetition builds security. At 3 to 5 years, kids don't remember lectures. They remember how safe they felt here. So stay tuned for such amazing and new upcoming sessions on the queries that what kids ask us and how as a right way we have to give the answer. Thank you. Do comment. Thank you.